Welcome to PSEMS. Good morning, students. I hope you understood the previous lecture I taught you. The new chapter we have started already, right? So, in that, some of the points I already taught you. Now, we are going to start the new point. Let's start. In the previous lecture, we have started the new chapter, that is Advanced Features in MS Access. In that, we have seen how to sort, how to search information in database, how to calculate in your database, how to filter in your database. We have seen all these options. Only the last point is remaining in this chapter, that is importing data from another application, that is MS Excel. Students, many times it happens that you need the data from your outside of your database access, like from your Excel. Suppose you have created the table in your Excel and that same table you want in your Access. There is no need to create it manually. You can import that same table to your Access. And how to do that? You just have to follow some steps. Okay, so what steps are there? We are going to see. Firstly, click on the external data. Here you can see the import tab. Can you see this? Yes. Here in the import you can see Excel option. Click on that. If you will click here, this dialog box will appear. Here you have to click on the browse option and then you have to select the Excel sheet, which table or the which data you want to fetch. For that you have to select the Excel file first and then click on the open. Once you click on this open, the same thing will appear. Again you have to click on the OK. Once you click on the OK, this dialog box will appear. Here you have to see which sheet you want to add in your database. If you want to add the sheet 2, you can click on the sheet 2. If you want to add sheet 3, you have to click on sheet 3. Now I have created the timetable on the sheet 1, so I'll select the sheet 1 and then click on the next. Okay, see, I have created the timetable, so there is a heading for this already created table, right? So I don't want this first row contains column heading, so I will not select this option and then click on the next option. Okay, and if you want to change the field name, you can make change here, and if you don't want, just follow then click on the next. Okay, once you click on the next, it will ask whether you want to set the primary key for your table or not. If you want to set, just let access add primary key or choose my own primary key. If you click on the choose, you have to select the field on which field you have to set that primary key, and if you don't want, just click on the no primary key. Okay, then click on the next. Okay, here Access will ask if you want to give the name for the table, you can give. Otherwise, by default, it will take the sheet 1, 2, 3, whichever you have selected. So here I will give the timetable name for the table. Okay, so click on the finish. Once you click on the finish, you have to close on this. Then you can see here one table is created with the name timetable. So let's see what data is there in that table. Yes, see here, this all information is stored in the Excel file, which what I've done, I imported the data. Did you get it? How to import the data from Excel to Access. Okay, so here we have finished the 5th chapter with all the points. If you have any doubts, you can ask the questions in the group or else you can repeat the video. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.